Here comes Maggie. Bold as brass. Oh, normal pigeon. I've seen one of them in here before. How many wood pigeons there are? That magpie there, that's my Maggie mate, that's the one that does Echo's noise. And he throws pebbles at the window to feed him. Really friendly. And I've got a street up near the side of my house. And whenever I walk down there, I always hear him doing Echo's noise, and he flies circles all the way up to the top of the street, and that must be the end of his territory, because then he leaves me alone. And when I'm coming home from the shop as well, I always hear him go echo, 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 doing Echo's noise. So they definitely recognise faces, let's put it that way. So this is 9 wood pigeons, most I've ever seen. Oh, 10. 10 pigeons, 10 wood pigeons and a normal pigeon. And there's 2 magpies about, but they've scattered, they've probably got their fill. You see, the magpies, they'll eat the food, they'll grab the bread and then they'll stash it in the garden, in the grass. And they're so clever that they remember where it is. They're fascinating, they are. Absolutely, they're so intelligent, I love them. I ain't give him a name because they're wild birds, I just call him Magusa. So when he calls to me, I go, Magusa, if I've got the window open. At the moment I ain't got the window open because it's cold. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you the progress on how many birds we're getting in the garden. Seems to be a lot. Let's see if there's anything over here. Nope, I'm in my kitchen at the moment. Nope. Yep. Oh, is that? No. I thought that was a dove then. We've got a dove. And you know what? The dove's smaller than most birds, but the dove bullies everyone. So, it's funny. Alright, see you for now.